We had already discussed about that. The food is ingested through the mouth. Food is ingested through the mouth. Food is ingested through the mouth. Here, salivary glands are present. I had already told you, no? Salivary glands are present in the mouth. Salivary glands are present in the mouth, which help in the digestion of starch. Which help in the digestion of starch. Everybody, salivary enzyme will help in the digestion of starch. They help in the digestion of starch. How much starch is digested in the mouth? I had already told you about that. How much starch is digested in the mouth? Only 30% of starch is digested in the mouth. Only 30% of starch is digested in the mouth. Now food is move into the esophagus. Now food is moved into the esophagus. Is it clear? Food is moved into the esophagus. Esophagus is a joint between the mouth and the stomach. Esophagus is a connection between the esophagus is connection between the mouth and the stomach. Is it clear? Food move through the esophagus into the stomach. It is the linkage between the mouth and the stomach. Here in esophagus, no digestion is take place because here no secretion of any type of enzyme and no enzymes are present here inside the esophagus. Only the food movement is take place inside the esophagus. Which is the process through which food is moved inside the food canal? What is the process with the help of this food move inside the food canal? कौन सी ऐसी प्रोसेस है बेटा जी जिसके थ्रू फूड मूव करता है इनसाइड द एलिमेंट्री canal? Anybody? The food is moved inside the alimentary canal with the help of contraction and relaxation movement. One of the movement known as the contraction relaxation movement, and the name of the movement and the name of the proper scientific name of the movement is parasystolytic movement. That is parasystolytic movement through which food is moved. Sorry, just a minute. Side food canal. Is it clear, everybody? Here I am telling you, in mouth only salivary amylase digest the carbohydrate and convert into the maltose. Here, when carbohydrate is digested into the mouth, it converts to the maltose. It is converted into the maltose. And how much portion of the carbohydrate is converted into the maltose? Only 30% of sugar converted in the maltose in the mouth. Clear, everybody? Here, beta. Next is no digestion place in the esophagus, and food is moved from esophagus to stomach. Food is moved esophagus to stomach. Only esophagus contraction relaxation movement is known as the parasystolytic movement, through which food move to the stomach. Here stomach is producing juice. Here in stomach producing some type of juices. They produce some type of juices, and these juices are known as the gastric juices. The juice produced in the stomach is gastric juice. Which type of gas? Just a minute here. Wait a minute. Juice produced inside the stomach is known as the gastric juice. Which is the what is the meaning of the gastric juice? What is present inside the gastric juice? What is present inside the gastric juice? Three things are present inside the gastric juice. One is axial, one is axial. hydrochloric acid. Their full form is hydrochloric acid. Second is pepsinogen. Second is pepsinogen, which is an inactive protein digesting enzyme, which is an inactive protein digesting enzyme, pepsinogen. And third is the mucus. Third is the mucus. Here, third is the mucus. What is the function of here? HCl. What is the function of here? What is the function of here? HCl? Anybody? What is the function of here? HCl? Anji beta ji, anybody? What is the function of HCl? First of all, kill the germs. How it kills the germ? And these germs, where these germs are come from us? When we eat the food, with the food, some type of germs we eat, and these germs go into our stomach. These germs are going to our stomach, and there HCl are present, which kill these HCl, which kill these type of germs, because HCl is so concentrated. HCl is so concentrated. When it is produced in large quantity in our stomach, it creates acidity problem in our stomach. You know all very well. When you have taken lots of junk food and fried type of food, or too many food which create the acidity, HCl is produced in a large amount, which create the acidity. Some food pipe burning like sensation, sometime in chest burning sensation. It is due to the more HCl is produced. In some cases, some type of people suffering from the acid reflux type of problem. Sorry, what is the meaning of acid reflux? Here, acid reflux is the when acid is back into the food pipe to mouth. When acid is from stomach and moving to the esophagus and back into the mouth, that is known as the acid reflux. How it is, why it is produced, and what is the reason to production of the HCl? Loads of HCl. The reason to production of loads of HCl is not proper timing of food. When we have not taking our food in a proper timing, then acid is produced in a large amount. Because how it produced? Suppose our breakfast is 7 o'clock in the morning, and lunch is according to that 1 p.m. and dinner is according to 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening. If we had not taken the food the 7 o'clock in the morning, then HCl only produced in the stomach. You have to take your breakfast in the morning 7 o'clock, and you had not taken breakfast according to proper timing, 7 o'clock in the morning, then क्या होगा? HCl तो production हुई है ना? Your body produce the HCl for what purpose? Digestion of food. But you had not taken the food, then क्या होगा? वो HCl के हमारी body को irritate करेगा, body में burning sensation produce and acid produce करेगा. इसलिए food की टाइम जो है अपना food, we have take our food in proper timing. जो भी होते हैं, we have take foods in proper timing. Is it clear, everybody? Next, food is move into the. You had already known that 3 plastic juice are used, and gas juice contain 3 types of components: the HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. Second is pepsinogen, that is active. Pepsin, inactive protein digesting enzyme, and HCl convert pepsinogen into the function of HCl. That is very, very important question here. 2 marks PPA come here. What is main function of HCl? To kill the germs present inside the food. Second is HCl help in the conversion in pepsinogen into pepsin. Convert in pepsinogen enzyme to Pepsin, which is the active enzyme and digests the protein. Pepsin is the active enzyme which digests the protein. Is it? And more thing is here, protein digestion is take place inside the also. Protein digestion place in stomach also. Is it everybody? Next is axial convert inactive pepsinogen to actin, and pepsin is very important. It is very important. Help in digestion of protein. Pepsin help in digestion of protein. Is it everybody? What will happen? What will happen if L is not in the stomach? Here, question is and as usual we say that the what will happen when saliva is present in the mouth, then no carbohydrate can take place in the mouth, no production of maltose, the carbohydrate take place in the mouth. Is it clear? Here like that, when what will happen if HCl is not produced in the stomach? What is the situation happen then time? This time when HCl is not produced, too much germs are entered freely and moving here and there in our stomach, and no killing of germs take place. And second, when HCl is not produced, then pepsinogen is never converted into the active form of pepsin. Active form in pepsin. Then pepsinogen is not converted into active form, that is known as the pepsin who digests the protein. Pepsin is the enzyme who digests the protein. Is it? Protein and convert into the simple form प्रोटीन की सिंपल फॉर्म क्या होगी बेटा जी? प्रोटीन व्हेन ब्रेकेज ऑफ प्रोटीन या डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन टेक प्लेस, it is converted into the amino acid. Is it clear everybody? When HCl is not present, it means digestion of, direct answer ये होगा, digestion of protein does not take place inside the stomach. When HCl is not present, then digestion of protein does not take place in the stomach because pepsinogen is not converted into the pepsin. Clear beta ji? Clear. Next is the mucus. Third is the which is present in the stomach is mucus. That is a jelly-like substance and hello. Hanji, mucus, which is a jelly-like or slippery substance. You put your finger in the mouth, you feel like a liquid substance is present in the upper jaws and the lower below the tongue. That is a slippery type of material. That is mucus-like material. Is it? That is mucus-like material. Protect wall of stomach. It protects the wall of stomach. इसका काम क्या है? Functioning of mucus क्या है? What is the function of the mucus? Why it is present inside the stomach? The functioning of mucus is protect the wall of the stomach. किससे protect करना है? Which things we protect our stomach wall? We protect our stomach wall from the action of HCl. Mucus protect the stomach wall by action of HCl. And HCl is in very acidic and concentrated form. Here pH of HCl is 1.8. pH of HCl is 1.8, which is acidic. It is very concentrated, very concentrated. When no food is available, HCl is attack on our stomach skin and may cause us sometime when we not taking food in the in disease condition for a lot of time. Then क्या होता है? Itself HCl is production is large, day by day produce large amount, and it create in stomach ulcer also. It create the food pipe ulcer also. Is it clear? Food pipe. What is the meaning of ulcer here? It is the internal bleeding. मतलब आपकी जो फूड पाइप है उसमें छोटे छोटे गड्ढे कर देता है. गड्ढे मतलब जो स्किन के अंदर गड्ढे कर देता है, रेड रैशेस हो जाते हैं जिससे ब्लीडिंग होती है, इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग होती है. मतलब एक फोड़े लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जहाँ पे मतलब फुंसी टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर जो गड्ढा क्रिएट करता है और उसके अंदर से ब्लीडिंग होती है, दैट इज नोन एज द अल्सर. और जो भी फूड जब आप खाएंगे वो बैक हो जाता है, वॉमिट आती है, in case of the if ulcer is present in the food pipe or stomach. Is it clear? HCl is very concentrated. So कौन बचाता है? If HCl is present in the stomach, तो उसके इफेक्ट को कम कौन करता है in the stomach? How we protect our body from the action of HCl? Mucus is present in our body which prevent the concentrated HCl from stomach. Sorry, action of HCl to stomach. Is it clear? Clear everybody? हाँ जी बेटा जी क्लियर है. क्लियर बेटा जी. Now I am discussing about the one thing more here. That is very important. Just a minute, wait. Here is the ending of the stomach. It is connected to the small intestine. Most जो last बची हुई जो हमारी last digestion है ना, all of the digestion take place in the small intestine, and in large intestine or little bit, at least we say that negligibly type of digestion take place. Here only in the in the large intestine only absorption take place. In large intestine it is only absorption take place. Mostly no digestion is take place in the large intestine. Is it clear? In the large intestine no digestion is take place. Only little bit or negligibly digestion take place. In last digestion we take place in the small intestine. Last part of digestion yani nutrition take place in the small intestine. Next food move into the small intestine. Next food is move into the small intestine. Is it? Here one thing more. Here is the liver. That is the, just a minute, wait. Liver. It is the largest gland of our body. It is the largest gland of our body. Liver secrete bile juices. It secrete bile juices. Liver secrete bile juice, which is stored into the balloon-like structure. Which is stored into the balloon-like structure. Which is stored into the balloon-like structure. That is known as the gallbladder. Gallbladder. Balloon-like structure. Liver, largest gland of our body is the liver, which produce the bile juices, and the bile juices are stored into the gallbladder, and here it is discharged. Is it? What is the function of the bile juice? It is the greenish yellow color liquid which is it is stored into the gallbladder. But production कहाँ से होती है bile juices की? Bile juices are produced from the liver. Bile juices are produced from the liver and stored into the gallbladder. After that, it is discharged into the food pipe. What is the function of the bile juice? The function of the bile juice is the emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat. What is the emulsification of fat here? What is the meaning of the emulsification of fat? Anybody? What is the meaning of the emulsification of fat here? Anybody? Emulsification of fat mean जैसे कोई चीज समथिंग लाइक दैट आपस में फ्रिक्शन की वजह से टूट जाती है ना. अगर हम किसी 2-3 चीजों को आपस में तेज रगड़े तो क्या होता है? ब्रेकेज क्रिएट होती है. दो स्टोन को आपस में जोर से फ्रिक्शन की वजह से रगड़ क्रिएट करें तो उससे क्या होगा? उनके टुकड़े हो जाएंगे, उनके पीसेस हो जाएंगे. दे प्रोड्यूस अ फ्रैगमेंट, है ना. छोटे छोटे टुकड़े प्रोड्यूस होंगे. या दो पत्थरों को हम जोर से आपस में टकराएं तो क्या होंगे? स्मॉल पेबल लाइक अपीयरेंस आ जाएंगी. ठीक है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? इमल्सिफाई होना. लाइक दैट इसके अंदर जो हमारा गाल ब्लैडर जो हमारा स्टोर करके रखता है ना बाइल जूसेस, द बाइल जूस स्टोर्ड इन द गाल ब्लैडर contain no enzyme. Here no enzymes are present in the bile juice. There is no enzyme present in the bile juice. Only emulsification of fat take place. Means large मान लीजिए फैट सपोज कीजिए फैट इज ए लार्ज स्टोन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड गाल ब्लैडर जो बाइल जूस है they stuff the two fat molecules and provide small fat molecules, pebble like fat molecules. That is known as the emulsification. Means रगड़ने की वजह से, रगड़ की वजह से छोटे छोटे टुकड़े प्रोड्यूस हो जाना. A large fat is converted into small fragment, fragment of fat. That is known as the emulsification. यानी fragments produce होना, टुकड़े produce होना, that is known as the emulsification of fat. Here no enzymatic digestion take place. Here no enzymatic digestion take place. Is it clear, everybody? No enzymatic digestion take place in the bile juices. Just a minute, wait.